Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very exciting recipe. I'm going to show you how to make millet dosa. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, I'm going to soak 1 cup of foxtail millet, rinse about 2 to 3 times and soak it with enough water for about 6 hours. 1/4 cup Urad Dal, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, rinse and soak for about 6 hours. Soak 1/3 cup of beaten rice for 30 minutes. The millet has been soaking for about 6 hours now. We're going to grind this, discard the water, add the soaked urad dal, the fenugreek also to the jar. Add water accordingly and grind it to a nice fine batter. The batter is ready, transfer it into a bowl and to the same jar add the soaked beaten rice, add a little water and grind it to a nice smooth consistency. To the batter add a little salt, mix it well. Ferment the batter for about 6 hours. Now I've left it out for fermenting for about 6 hours and you can see it's nicely bubbled up. Pour a ladle of batter. Pour a little oil or ghee of your choice. So if you don't want ghee or oil, you can avoid it and just make it in the non-stick tawa like this. The dosa is nicely roasted. So if you like a lovely crispy roast, you can make it like this. So as you can see, I've made this millet dosa using the foxtail millet. If you don't have foxtail millet, you can try it with the other variety also and follow the same method. So do try this dosa and enjoy with some nice sambar and chutney. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.